How to delete Facebook cover photo. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application on your device and then tap on the search bar and search for Facebook application just to make sure you have the latest version of the Facebook application. Here you can see there is no option of update, which means we have the latest version of Facebook application. So tap on open and make sure that you are logged into your account over here. As you're logged into your account, tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen. Here, select on your profile again and you can see the cover photo over here. So just tap on this one and as you tap on it, you can see your cover photo. So this is your cover photo for now. Now if you want to delete it, tap on the three dotted lines over here. And here you can see the option of delete photo. So tap on delete photo and then tap on delete again. Now just refresh the page. And there you go. You have deleted your Facebook cover photo. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.